Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you how to find duplicate records in a table in SQL Server. As of now, I have an existing table employee in my learning database. Employee. See, there are one record for each employee except employee 6. Okay. In this table, there can be only one record for a employee. Now, we are going to check duplicates. Select employee ID, employee name, count from table name employee, group by. Now I am grouping these columns value. Okay, and count in a aggregate function, that is counts the number of records for a column. If you are using more than one column here, then it will count the number of records for that columns. Group by both columns. Having count or greater than 1. Having condition is used on the group by. Okay, after this calculates the count star number of records, then what count of records comes for these columns, then on based on that the condition will be applied, this one. Okay, now let's check what will be result. See here, employee 6 have more than one record. Now let's check, insert another row for employee 7. Employee, column name, employee, employee salary, values, no need to insert the value for row ID. Okay, this identity column value will be inserted automatically. And 45. Now going to run this query again. Let's see. Okay, now there are two duplicate records for two employees, employee 6 and employee 7. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.